YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am back. Happy 2018 to everybody. I am going to try and be more consistent now that I have a little bit more time. My schedule is a little bit better, so I thought I would start this new year off, even though what's today, like the 8th, 7th, whatever. It is still the first week of the new year, so I'm going to start off my first video with some empties and also my project pan for 2018. And I only have a few empties, so I decided to combine these two videos together, and I am going to do my empties first. So the first one that I have is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, which I think I had in another empties. This is the last one that I have of this one. I am now trying out the NYX Cosmetics Micellar Water, so we'll see how that is. I really like this one, so I'll probably go back to this one. I have finished a Mario Badescu, the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. What I have now is the one with the aloe and cucumber. There you go. The aloe and cucumber one is the one that I have now, and I really like that one. I just also recently bought the one with lavender in it, so I'm going to try that one out and see. Skincare wise, I have also finished the Bye Bye makeup remover from It Cosmetics, and I do have a brand new one on my dresser now to use, and I shall show you that that one is empty. I have a little small cream from It Cosmetics, like a little trowel size. I don't know if you can see it, of their secret sauce. And this is their newest moisturizer, which I have tried. And I have all this stuff on my lap, so it is completely making a mess, but this one is empty. And it's kind of hard to show you. My background is playing havoc. I have like 3 hair care items that I have emptied out. One is one of my absolute favorites. I have been using it for years, and this is the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle. So I finished this one. I have bought the bonus sized one, and I have it in my shower now, so that's something I will always use. I have finished the She Scented Papaya Twist and Curl Defining Souffle. This is old packaging, that's how you know how long I've had this one. They now have a new packaging, but I have that one in my room as well, and I use it for my twist outs. And you can see that one is completely empty. The last hair care item that I have is the VO5 Herbal Escapes Clarifying Shampoo, which I pick up from the Dollar Tree. And I think I have 2 more now. I absolutely love this one for getting all of that product buildup off of my hair and not making my hair feel stripped. So only $1, and as far as I'm concerned, this is like the only clarifying shampoo that I'm going to be purchasing. And the last thing I have is a hand soap, and it is the Bath & Body Works Coconut Pumpkin Latte Nourishing Hand Soap. And I had like a what do you call it, supply, a storage, or a stash of different hand soaps from Bath & Body Works. This one smelled really good. But that is an empty. That does it for all of the empties that I have presently. I have a bag of trash that I need to throw out, so I wanted to go ahead and do my empties. Now is for the project pan items. These are actually items that have been sort of sitting by my makeup table, and I want to kind of use them and either put a dent in them or use them and get rid of them. The first one that I have is not completely new. I've had it for a few months, and I actually ordered it from Tan Beauty, and this is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro HD Cream Contour. and it looks like this, and I have it in the color medium dark. Let me open it up for you. So this is what medium dark looks like, and the color I've mostly been using is this one because it's that like orange sort of concealer color. So I want to put a dent in this one. This one is not, where's my phone? This one is not available on Ulta. It is only available through Tam Beauty. So I had to order it through them, which it didn't take that long to pick up. I have a couple of eyeshadow palettes that have been in my collection for a while that I want to go ahead and use. And the first one is from Urban Decay, and it is the Pulp Fiction palette. And the reason why I'm going to go ahead and use this one is because it has a lot of neutral colors in it that sometimes when you have colorful palettes you cannot find. And this is sort of a companion palette, so that's how I'm going to use it, as a companion palette. And then I also have a BH Cosmetics palette that I want to use. It kind of went into my drawer and I forgot about it, and that is the Missy Lynn palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Really pretty, and this also has like some colors I can use as companion colors for other palettes as well. So those are the two palettes that I want to sort of pan this year. I have a couple of foundations that have been in here as a project pan before, but I never completely finished them, so I want to go ahead and finish them. The first one is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Smoothing Balm, and the packaging looks like this, and I have it in the color Deep. I'm going to show you where I am with it now, which is here. So I have hit pan on it. So my goal for 2017 with this is to completely use it up, as I put some on my finger already. And I also have the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue, and I have it in the color Chestnut. And I think that it may be half empty, but I want to go ahead and finish this up. I have a concealer from Bare Minerals that's just about empty, but I want to go ahead and finish it up, and that is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer, Correcting Concealer it is. Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. There it is. And I want to go ahead and use that up. I feel like the stopper came out of it too. Maybe not, but I want to use this up. I have two face primers. I have the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, which is about half gone. So I'm going to use this up. It might be getting washed out on my screen. And I have the Avon Magic's Face Perfector. There we go. So I want to go ahead and use that up as well. The last primer I have is like an eye primer, and this is also from Avon, and this is the, they just call it the eyeshadow primer. It comes in a pot like this. I have it in the color light beige. They also have it, I think, in medium beige. Sorry, but once it's once it's under your shadows, it really doesn't matter what color it is. So this is where I am with it now. So I have a little bit of a dent in it, but I do want to go ahead and finish that up. And then randomly going through my drawer, I found the e.l.f. Eyebrow Lifter and Filler Pencil. So I want to go ahead and use this up. I'm more interested in using up, not that side, that's the filler. I mean the lifter. I'm more interested in using up the pencil side of it than I am using up that lifter, because that lifter is like a little bit too pink for me. But that is that. Sorry, I need to drink some water. Those are the products that I want to pan or completely get rid of for 2018. I try not to make it too overwhelming for myself, so I just picked like a few things. I knew if I picked like a bunch of eyeshadows and a bunch of different things that I would completely fail, because I have in the past and I didn't really pan anything because there were too many things. But these are going to live here like right at my makeup table so that I can easily grab them and use them up. And that is it, you all. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you have been, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You all have a great day. Bye.